In this video I'm going to show you how to easily view and then share your Spotify Wrapped from 2022 on your iPhone or your Android phone. All we need to do is simply open up the Spotify app on our iPhone or Android phone. Once we load it, we should see the Spotify Wrapped banner right under Recently Replayed on the home screen. So we can select that. And then it will start going through our Spotify Wrapped and show us all of our different stats from 2022. Once you get to the end of your Spotify Wrapped for 2022, you will be able to share different stories by swiping right to left. And then you can select Share at the bottom. To actually share that on TikTok, Instagram, copy the link and then share that as well. If you open the Spotify app and you don't see Spotify Wrapped come up like this, all we need to do is select Search. Search Wrapped. In the first option will be 2022 Wrapped. And then there we can see our 2022 Wrapped and also see some top tracks and things from 2022.